Now we are going to start with an important compound of boron, that is the borax, right? This compound is actually very important and it is being used in different, you can say in different fields. So we are going to study it in detail. So the first thing we'll start with, that is what is its molecular formula. So borax is Na2B4O7.10H2O. What is borax? It is Na2B4O7, this is the molecular formula, with 10 water molecules. That means 10 molecules of water of crystallization is there. So this borax is actually the common name for this compound. This is actually a common name, but if we talk about its chemical name, then it is sodium tetraborate decahydrate. As you can see that it is sodium, this is tetraborate, 10 deca means 10, decahydrate. So this is the chemical name for the borax, that is the sodium tetraborate decahydrate, and the formula is Na2B4O7.10H2O. So if we'll see the structure, so we'll see that they are actually arranged in this manner. They are arranged in this manner. As you can see that there are 4 borons. You can see that 1 boron, another 3, and this is the 4th one, right? And how they are linked with the oxygen and the water molecule, this you can clearly see with the in the figure. So now we'll start with the preparation first, that how we can obtain borax. So we have 3 methods for preparing borax. One is it is obtained from tinkle. Second, it is obtained from an ore or a mineral, that is columenite, and it can be obtained from boric acid. That means a boron compound only. So the first preparation we will be starting with, that is from tinkle. That is from tinkle. Now the question is, what is tinkle? See, naturally occurring borax is called as tinkle. Naturally occurring borax is called as tinkle, and you know that where we find where we actually see this tinkle, it is actually obtained from dried up lakes. It is collected from the dried up lakes. Then what we do? First we extract that tinkle which is present in the dried up lakes, and then it is boiled with water. We add water to it and we just boil it. After boiling, we filter it so in order to remove the impurities, so that impurities are removed. After that, what is done with the filtrate? Then this filtrate is actually concentrated. That means it is heated to a great extent up to a point when the crystallization point is reached, and when the crystallization point is reached, what happened? The crystal of borax gets separated. Crystals of borax get separated. So again, so what are the steps involved when you collect the borax from the when you obtain the crystals of borax from the tinkle? So we know that tinkle is the naturally occurring borax, right? It is actually obtained from the dried up lakes. So first is to collect the tinkle from dried up lakes. Second, add water and just boil it. Third, filter it in order to remove the impurities, and after that what you have to do with the filtrate is that you need to concentrate it, and when you concentrate the filtrate, what you will see the crystals of borax get separated. So this is how you obtain from tinkle. So the second method which we can do in order to prepare borax is that we can prepare from mineral columenite. We can prepare from mineral columenite. And what is the formula for columenite? It is Ca2B6O11. It is Ca2B6O11. Now we will see that how we can actually obtain borax by using a mineral, that is the columenite, that is Ca2B6O11. What we do is, we take this mineral, I will write the reactions involved here. Ca2B6O11. What is it? It is the columenite mineral. Then what we do? We just boil it with sodium carbonate. We boil this mineral with sodium carbonate. When we boil it, they both react, and as a result what they form? They form a precipitate of calcium carbonate. Along with that, they form a crystals of borax, and along with it also forms sodium metaborate, that is NaBO2. I'll write the name also. it is sodium metaborate, and this is borax, and this is crystals of calcium carbonate. Right. So that means when you boil columenite with Na2CO3, what you get these products. Then you just filter it, because when you filter it, then what happened? This calcium carbonate crystals get separated. Now we are just left with the borax and sodium metaborate. Then what we do? We just concentrate the solution. And when we concentrate the solution, the crystals of this borax get separated. Right. Now we have extracted the crystals of borax, but we are left with the mother liquor, which actually contains sodium metaborate. We can also convert this mother liquor containing sodium metaborate into borax. How? We can convert, like this is our mother liquor, this is the constituent of a mother liquor. We are going to pass carbon dioxide gas through it, and when we pass carbon dioxide gas through it, it gets converted into borax. So again the mother liquor also get converted into borax, and along with that you get Na2CO3, again it is regenerated. So this is how you can obtain the borax from the mineral, that is the columenite Ca2B6O11. Third method, we can actually prepare the compound of boron, that is borax, from the boron acid, that is the boric acid. How? You are going to take boric acid. We know that boric acid is H3BO3, right? We are going to add sodium carbonate to it. When we add sodium carbonate, we just mix them, we just heat them a little. Then what happened? They both react, and after the reaction, what as a result is formed? It forms crystals of borax, along with that water, and carbon dioxide is formed. This is what actually happened when you react sodium carbonate with boric acid. That is, as a result, we get the desired compound, that is the borax, Na2B4O7. See, here the Na2B4O7 is hydrated one, right? So when you get the crystals of Na2B4O7, it is very simple to convert this into a decahydrate. Just add 10 water molecules. So when you will add 10 water molecules, that borax will become hydrated. That means it will become sodium tetraborate decahydrate. This we were looking for, right? So this is actually the three important preparations which we can actually carry on in order to prepare the borax, that is Na2B4O7.10H2O.